Hey guys, welcome back to Cake Marinate 40. This is the new inlet valve that I've put in. Look, as you can see, it's exactly at the mark. Which you can't be able to see it, but there it is. But I've also done another video on a time-lapse one, so check my link above if you want to find that one. But anyways, give it a test flush. Look at that. Look at that. It's a fast, quiet refill. And I'll show you something when it stops. Alright, so since it stopped, it's exactly at the mark. So if you want to see that time-lapse video, click the link above and then I'll show you guys on that video on how to do it. So hit that like button and share and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.